Hey guys, this is Traveling Geek, and today I'm going to talk about the Widevine L1 issues on the LG G8X. So whether this phone has Widevine L1 or not, let's find out, and we will also see whether the availability of L1, if yes or no, is actually affecting the playback of the FHD resolution on Netflix and Prime Video. So first of all, I'm just opening the Drm Info App. This app will tell us exactly the specifications. I mean, we can see here this is the LG G8X model. The model number is the G850, and when I'm scrolling down, you can see here that it has Widevine L1. It's very clearly written here. It has a Widevine L1, and believe me, I have checked also the older reviews of the LG G8X and found out when the device was shipped with Android Pie, the phone was having Widevine L1 out of the box. So this is not like a Xiaomi scenario where they ship a phone without the Widevine L1, like they ship with the L3, like the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, or even a few more phones like the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and then they tell their customers to wait for update which will sort out the issue of Widevine L1, and that goes into a big mess. So eventually I'm just opening the Netflix first. As you can see, this is the Netflix. I'm going into the app settings, so I'm selecting the maximum data here, and Netflix directly shows the playback specifications for any specific device. And here you can see that the device the Netflix app is recognizing the Widevine L1 here, and it supports full HD playback. So let's find out now with the Amazon Prime Video. So here we have the Amazon Prime Video. Let's go to the My Stuff. Here we have in the settings, and let me show you first that the streaming quality is the best I have selected here, so no issues about that. And now let's find out whether this actually plays the content in HD or FHD, because the resolution of the display is FHD plus. So I'm playing here. Let me just switch off the audio. And as you can see that HD or anything is not appearing over here. It's not even grayed out. So this problem is there, and I read it on various forums like the Reddit or the XDA and few others, that people are complaining about the Amazon Prime Video support for the FHD. Now I don't know what's the problem with the FHD playback support for this specific device, because LG has a good reputation in this case. It's not like the Xiaomi or any other Chinese players where in their country these services are not available, so they are not really focused on the Widevine L1 certifications and then further certifications with this specific service provider. So no clue over here that what's going wrong, because all other phones of the LG, like in the premium side, like the LG V40 or the G7 or the G7 Plus, or even the last the model flagship which was the G8S, had no issues with this kind of playback. So this is not a phone which came with the Widevine L3 and then it got a Widevine L1 certification. It was there out of the box. So now let's find out what is the scenario with the DisneyPlus Hotstar, because in Hotstar we can see whether we can play in the high quality or not. So I have kept the app open over here, and I'm basically playing Captain Marvel here. So here you can see I'm playing the Captain Marvel on the DisneyPlus Hotstar, and just we can see settings. Right now it's video quality auto. If I select to high, it is playing. So my plan is a VIP plan, and this offers me up to 720p. Now the only issue with is with the Amazon Prime Video, which is still stuck with the standard 480p. I really hope that LG and Amazon Prime Video sorts this issue out as soon as possible, so all those people who bought the LG G8X can really enjoy FHD content on the Amazon Prime Video as well. So I think the doubts have been cleared now that the phone fully supports FHD playback on the Netflix as well as the HD playback on a Hotstar. It will also support the FHD if you have the DisneyPlus premium plan. If you have the standard VIP plan, it will basically have the 720p support. The only issue now is with the Prime Video. So let's see and let's hope when this problem gets sorted out. As soon as I get to know, I will record another video and publish on the specific channel. This is Traveling Geek. I'm signing off. If you do like this video, don't forget to click on subscribe and don't forget to click on thumbs up. Thank you once again.